Hello YouTube. Can't believe it's been 7 years. Hello YouTube. Can't believe it's been 7 years since I started flying, or since my last flight, and 8 years since I started flying. I'm now in North Carolina, no longer in Arizona, and I just bought my first plane for me to practice on eventually. This is from Banana Hobby, and this is the unboxing of Cessna 182. Currently I'm working on my flying skills, as usual, if you will, so that I don't crash this plane. I got me a Real Flight 9 simulator with USB dongle, using my same old radio, BH 6i. And hopefully I can get back in the air soon. So, it's a double boxed, it's taped pretty good. I'll make sure everything is good, because I had a bad reputation back then when I was flying, and I did get one bad plane from them. So we're going to do an unboxing of this Cessna and see what it looked like. Alright, looks like this package is pretty good. It actually comes with 3 props. Actually, I think I ordered this separately. There's an instruction. Sounds pretty decent. So everything is taped up. The top only got one pin to hold it up. So get that off. Wow. Nice size. For $109, which is not a bad deal. Looks pretty good. No dents. Everything seems to be good as is. Open it up, and this is the ready to fly version. Almost ready to fly. It's got a, I don't even know what they call it anymore. Power supply anyway. It's already hooked up. It's connected to the motor. All I gotta do is drop the battery in. This is better than the last one that I bought from a different company who I no longer buy from. Everything's already hooked up. There's the clamp down instead of the usual hookup. It's pretty good. Got a nice strong magnet. Decals are pretty good. And the top's not put together perfectly, but I guess you can trim that off. You put the vertical stabilizer, you won't even see that. And I guess the wing part of it just snaps in there and screws down, which is pretty good. One of the complaints that I saw was the windshield. Here it is, the windshield. It's not even attached. It comes loose. I can use the hot glue and put it back on there. Oh, crazy glue one. There's a little smear right here on the back windshield, which is no big deal, and nobody gonna see it up there anyway. So that's good. So far, it's pretty decent. It's a half of the wing. Everything's already pre-installed. I have no idea how good they're installed. I'm assuming it's some kind of glue that they use. It's already pre-attached. It's fairly decent as far as alignment. Might have to tweak it just a little bit, but there's no damage. And you actually got an LED supposedly. Let's see if that'll work. Physically, everything looks good. Might need to put a small rubber band or something on the horn here. Make sure it don't snap out while it's flying. When I'm flying. And the other half, there's a couple more LEDs there. There's another one there. So for the price, $109.99. This is pretty good. It's got a spar. hook up here, which will make it better, I guess. It's pretty sturdy. And just like the other one, I'm gonna put a rubber band or something on here on the horn. And here's the bar for the spar. And landing gear. Yeah, nice soft rubber. Surprise. I mean, it sounds kind of flimsy, but it comes with all the hardware. Everything seems to be in good shape. No issue so far. The decal is really not all that great. But, like I say, nobody's going to see it up that close. Okay, there's a horizontal stabilizer. There's nothing connected to it. The horn's already on there. It's pretty good. If I want to do any mixing, I'll have to separate these and put another horn here. But I don't think I'm going to get that fancy. Here's a vertical. Vertical looks good. Throttle servo is already installed. There's a little horn. It's actually got a vertical, kind of like a stabilizer on here on the vertical. There's another LED. So let's see. Oh, this is the brace for the wing. It's pretty simple. Pretty simple. There's a nose cone, the spinner, everything's already in there. Nothing broke. Oh, let's see, what is this? These are the wire harness. I guess it's for the ailerons and the rudders. If I want to split it to make it work right, I guess. There's another antenna for the top of the wing. What else? And their famous glue. So far so good. Everything looks good. I don't see no problem. There's a hole on top here, but it didn't damage anything. I mean, I don't care about this anyway. So that's it. Everything's good. Tomorrow I'll go ahead and power everything up and make sure all the servos and stuff is working. But for $109.99, can't really complain. Their problem at Banana Happy has always been the electronics. Sometimes you get it out the box and servos don't work. Speed control, something don't work. They hardly ever physical damage when you get it, but we'll see what happens. We'll power it up tomorrow. I already got the battery. I gotta get it charged up. Get my receivers. I already got my receiver, so that should be okay. I didn't see any receiver in here. I believe that's part of what you have to add to make it ready to fly. And all the wires in there, but I don't see no receiver. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Come back. I'll get the plane put together, and maybe sometime after New Year, I might even try to fly if I feel confident enough from the simulator training. Thank you.